So hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to write a program in which I will print the sum of a series. So what kind of a series of a sum I am going to print? So if like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on till n is a given number by a user, so whatever is the sum we'll print that. So now I'm going to take input from the user, enter the limit, and I will store the limit. Now I'm going to run a program, run a loop from 1 to the number given by the user n and increase it by plus plus 1. Now I'm going to initialize one more variable as 0. So here we'll print the sum of the series. Now I'm going to print the sum. So simply we have to get c plus is equals to 1, and here we will print the series system.out.print, because we have to print the series in one line like this. If we write ln instead of print, so it will print the numbers in next line, so it will not be very attractive or look good looking. Now and in under double quotes I'll write addition sign and semicolon. Now I'll print the sum of this series outside this loop, because if we print the series inside the loop, the sum inside the loop, so the sum will be printed every time with the series. Now I'm going to print it like is equals to plus is equals to plus c. Now I'm going to run this program. Instead of 1, actually I have done a mistake. Instead of 1 we have to write I, so it will again add the limit. So I'm going to write 5. So as you can see that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 15. Now I'm going again to run this program and see the output. We write 10 and here is the output 55. So first let us understand the logic of this program. So we initialize a loop and we starts with 1, it ends till the number given, like anything 5 2 3 anything, and it increases plus 1 every time. So here is what the main thing happens. We print the series, sum of the series. So what happens actually, every time when the series is run, every time the numbers present in the series are added to this 0 or in this variable, and here is the line where we print the series, and here is the line where we print the sum of the series. Now I am going to create another series of numbers, like if we write, if the user has entered 5, so 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 1 1 1 1 plus 1 1 1 1 1. So every time when the user enters like 5, so this number will be printed, this series will be printed with its sum. So nothing we have to do here, just we have to do in place of this c is equals to c into 10 plus 1. So every time when the loop runs, it prints the the series, and we'll print the sum in another variable like integer sum is equals to 0, and we initialize here inside the loop sum plus is equals to c. Run this program, enter the limit 5. So here you can see that it is coming, it is printed the series, but I think that the sum is wrong, because again the same thing is being printed, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1. So as you can see that the sum is coming like this. So this is how we print the sum of the series. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, and if you want more interesting videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.